Welcome. Today we're gonna finish tearing down this engine, hopefully. Well, I don't know the real answer to that. I'm waiting on a buddy for a couple tools, so we'll get as far as we can. The current predicament is there's no flywheel in the back of the engine, the crank pulley's still in the front, so I gotta figure out a way to keep the engine from rotating so I can get that off. That way we can get the timing components off, see kind of what's what. So let's get into it. Alright, so we got the front covers off and the crank pulley, obviously. I did have one small issue. Whoever put the timing covers on last, like, freaking blasted this one on, and it just disintegrated. So I keep extra rear covers around, so that shouldn't be a big deal, but it's a bummer because they're kind of spendy. So every set you can salvage is good news because they're made of plastic, and yeah. I didn't show you how I got the crank bolt off because I'm not proud of it, so we'll just roll right over that like it didn't happen. Also, I started pulling this valve cover off. Someone definitely just got tired, oh my gosh, of them leaking and just silicone the ever-living crap out of them. So, yeah. Oh, that looks pretty good though. Cool. Cool. Well, I'll take the other side off now and see what that looks like. So we've kind of gotten to the point with the engine here. Kind of got it to the point where I either got to buy tools or wait for a friend to come save me. So I've kind of started tinkering around with other stuff. I want to pull all the Plastidip stuff off the car and see if I can fix that. Pull the grill off because I'm going to be replacing it. And the headlights are killing me. So I might take 2 seconds to see if I can clean them up real quick, because, you know, yeah, it'll just look better and I don't have to look at it. So. Looks about 10 times better already. Let's hope that's Plastidip, and let's try and get it off. Okay, so we got Plastidip off. That looks 10 times better. Now, there's a little oopsie right here. I want to see how much of that I can get out. But yeah, Plastidip's off that. Oh, I got to do the hood scoop too, so I'll, yeah, we'll do both of those. only looks a million times better. I don't know if we're going to keep that hood scoop. I might get the JDM one that's a little bigger. But I had to at least get that off. So no more Plastidip. Bumper's taken care of. Hood scoop's taken care of. That one was broken. So yeah, I'll figure that out. So there you have it. Big improvement with just a little time. Oh, and the bumper came out really good too. It has like a little scuff there, but overall looks 10 times better. All right, that's gonna do it for today. Hopefully we can get one of my boys over here tomorrow so we can finish taking apart that engine.